Okay, so I have an old broken circuit board here. You can see that there's a trace lifted here. So this is already garbage, and I'll use it to just demonstrate how to remove a surface mount component and replace it. So the first thing is, you'll notice if you try to do this with a soldering iron, as you heat one side and try to do the other, sometimes you can get it off, sometimes you're less successful. And here you go. I just destroyed that trace in the process. Now this board's being well abused, and so that may not have been the original cause, but the way to actually do this is to use a hot air soldering iron. And so you want to have your temperature set correctly, the airflow set correctly, and once it's up to temperature, with this model you'll tell once the light starts to flash for the temperature. And so we want to get on it and basically just heat the area, and with a set of tweezers gently apply some pressure. A little more temperature. Okay, and now that we've removed that, we'll simply take some we'll take some desoldering wick and remove the excess solder. And again, each one of these processes needs to be handled a little bit delicately, because too much heat will definitely destroy the trace. Okay. Like that one. Again, like I said, this board has been well and truly abused. Then what I'll do is I'll add fresh solder to one terminal. Take my new component, place it and solder the one side, and then solder the other side. Okay. Alright, and we can finally do a quick continuity test if we're worried. This trace goes from here. And it's good. Okay, hope this helps.